Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem. So in the first step, we need to open command prompt. Simply go to search bar, type here cmd, right click here and select run as administrator. Once we are here, we need to execute some command. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So type here gp update and hit enter. So this command will take some time to complete the process and we need to wait for it. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes, and once done, just type exit to close this command prompt window. Then simply right click here on start icon, click on settings, then just click on these three lines and go to accessibility. Just scroll down, go to audio, then go to sound. Now click on microphone and we need to enable this option, allow. Click on allow. So once done, close this window, go to control panel, select view by as large icons and click on sound. Once we are here, we need to go for the speakers. Here you will get the microphone option. Simply right click on it and try to enable it and disable it, just like this one also. Disable it and enable it and select the microphone. Go to properties, sets the volume up to the 100% and check this option, then click on apply and then OK. Once done, close this window and simply restart your system. That's it guys. You can also check out our pinned comment or in the description link to fix this issue quickly. That will be a better way to fix this issue and very effectively. So yeah, don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.